Namaste. It enthralls me to see all smiling faces. I, Master Arau Rao, feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to all dignitaries, revered teachers, and of course, our parents and enthusiastic participants. We couldn't influence the ocean, nor could we change the weather, and therefore we redesigned our vessel to reach the shore. So here we are with immense pleasure and excitement, hosting the virtual annual day of 7th grade Galaxy 2021-2022. Passion fuels success. So let's watch the glimpse of Term 1 2021-2022, requesting all parents to respond virtually with the use of emojis and emoticons to encourage our students. Now I'd like to request, oh, this is going so easy. Come on parents, I want you to guess this personality. An educationist, a storyteller, a motivational speaker, the author of the book Chalk to Talk, enlightens us with weekly podcast and winner of plentiful prizes. Any guesses? Yes, she is none other than our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Dr. Mrs. Pramila Kudua. I would like to invite ma'am to say a few words.
A warm namaste to all of you. You must be wondering why it is a namaste today. The reason is very, very simple. This talk of mine is recorded and it's going to be played once in the morning, once in the evening. In English, there is no equivalent to namaste. So namaste it is from me to all of you once again. The 7th standard children are going to be talking about success and what fuels it. So I have a few anecdotes to share with you. Let me start with Hirkani. Have you heard the name Hirkani? Hirachikani? Now Hirkani was staying in the village outside the Raigad fort. Chhatrapati Maharaj had erected huge walls on the Raigad fort on 3 sides. On the 4th side, it was a precipitous drop, and Chhatrapati Shivaji thought that nobody could scale that and come to the fort. So that part was not covered with any walls. Now, Hirkani used to supply milk to the fort every morning. By evening, by dusk, the gates of the fort would be closed and the guard at the gate was under instruction not to permit anybody outside or permit anybody to come inside. One day it so happened that Hirkani got a little delayed. The gates closed and Hirkani was not permitted to go back home. It so happened that Hirkani had left her little baby at home. She begged, she pleaded with the guard to permit her, and guard was adamant. He was a loyalist who said no, because Chhatrapati had given his orders not to permit anybody. Now the mother's heart would not give up. She looked here, she looked there, and she went to that area where there was no wall. And you won't believe it. Hirkani scaled down that precipitous climb which Shivaji Maharaj had thought was not accessible for any human being, and she managed to reach her home, to her baby who was crying for the mother. The next morning, Hirkani was back at the gate to supply milk. The guard recognized her and took her to the Chhatrapati, who questioned her. And he realized that she was speaking the truth. There were scratches all over her face, on her body. And he erected a burj which is called Hirkani. The burj exists, and it is a memento which Shivaji erected to pay tribute to the mother who did not give up against odds. Now, why am I telling you this story? The reason is very simple. If you have to be successful, you need to persevere. You cannot give up. Perseverance leads to success. Success always does not have to depend on perseverance. But if you are perseverant, then you will definitely be successful. And this talk of mine is not going to end without a mention of the master blaster, Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin was at the crease, he was playing, and when he played, he did not get out, and the others were not very happy with this because they had to wait for a long time before their chance came in. So they complained to his coach. His coach didn't have the heart to tell Sachin to stop. So he thought of a plan. Sachin's shirt was not very clean. So he called Sachin aside and he said, "Beta, just go home, wash this, and then you can come to class for your practice." So what Achrekar did not expect, what the others did not expect, was the action that Sachin undertook. He went home, washed the t-shirt, and wore the t-shirt which was wet, and came back to the crease because he had only one shirt and he didn't want to miss the class. That, my dear students, is what perseverance is all about. Don't give up. Have that grit and the determination to pursue your goal, and then success will be yours. Finally, I want to talk about what happens when you miss the opportunity which comes your way. Have you all heard of Kodak? Kodak was a company which was started in the 19th century, 1888, if I'm not mistaken. And this company was so popular that everybody used to talk about the Kodak moments. A photograph was taken and you would say, "Wow, it's a Kodak moment." Now, do you hear about that company anymore? So what happened? It so happened that in 1975, one of their engineers came up with a digital camera. Now, this digital one, they didn't want to process because it was not in their line of profit. They set it aside. And the other companies like Sony and the others, they picked it up. Consequently, what happened was the other names you hear now, and Kodak is wiped out. And in the 1970s, they had 70% shares of the film market. And today they are nowhere. The moral here is, when an opportunity comes your way, cash it, encash it, work on it, and don't give up. So as students, your duty is to persevere, look for opportunities which are fair and just, and cash in on it. God bless, and all the best for your program for today.
Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us with your words. Remember, the more you celebrate in life, the more there is in life to celebrate.
Greetings to one and all. Each year is a time frame divided into weeks and months for each one of us to plan, execute and replan for spinning never yarns of life. How we view each thread of learning and experience will fulfill and enhance our life and affect others in some way or the other. Life is a sweet-smelling floral bouquet of different delights. Some enchant, some mesmerize us. Some make oneself conscious, some force you to be worthy. Some poetic in content and still others mundane in intent as the procession of thoughts move on. These thoughts and wondrous delights make a person who she is, and the child is like that clay which is molded through such experiences. And then we can see each child is possessed with innate talents in different streams of science, in history and geography, in cooking, singing, acting or dancing. By presenting these talents on the stage, credentials are created to win confidence, courage and triumph. Today's gathering is once a gathering to share the triumph of different personalities and learn from each other how to kindle that passion in each one of us towards a path to success. So without further ado, let me welcome our principal ma'am, Dr. Mrs. Pramila Murga, Mr. C.B. Hegde, CAO of Power Public Schools, Mrs. Bhagyashree Bhagwat, and Mr. Ram Prasad, Administrative Officer, Vice Principal, Mrs. Revati Wali.
The Headmistress of Secondary Section, Mrs. Chitra, Primary Headmistress, Mrs. Celia Mascarenhas, Pre-Primary Headmistress, Mrs. Uttara Abhyankar, and all the teachers, parents and students are welcome to the virtual galaxy, the Annual Day Celebration 2021-2022. At my lowest, God is my hope. At my darkest, God is my light. At my weakest, God is my strength. At my saddest, God is my comfort. Let us begin today's auspicious event with the praise of the most merciful and benevolent.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे। बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। हम चले एक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
Light is a universal symbol of truth, knowledge and understanding. It acts as a guide, keeping us from stumbling in the dark. With this lamp lighting, we would like to thank the Goddess of Knowledge for blessing us. We hope she blesses us in school and the future. Let us now watch our dignitaries light the ceremonial lamp.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते.
Thank you everyone. Please take your seats. Let's get started. Audience, today we have some very famous tea personalities with us, and I am sure you're going to enjoy it as much as they would enjoy performing. Tea personalities Hansa and Praful from Khichdi, Maya and Indradhan Sarabhai bump into each other. Let's see what happens further.
माया बेन, वो सब तो ठीक है, पर ये पैशन क्या होता है? पैशन हंसा, मैं समझाता हूँ।
अरे अब ये क्या एक्सप्लेन करेगा?
Passion is a strong desire that can get you to amazing things. Passion is an emotion to be acted upon. When you have passion for something, you do it despite the hurdles. It makes great accomplishments possible, and thus the very famous phrase says, passion fuels success. It is the fuel that generates enthusiasm needed to sail to the biggest obstacles and overcome the intractable challenges. It inspires loyalty, teamwork, hard work, and eventually success.
अरे ये कैसे हुआ? Praful explained this better than my wife, who's a first-class graduate from Tiktibai College.
But really, how does he know about it?
वो क्या है ना माया बेन? My children study in BPSK, and during lockdown in online classes, we both also used to listen to the lectures. हमने भी साथ-साथ पढ़ाई कर ली भाई साहब. Now we are also smart and intelligent, just like other BPSK students. जल्दी चलो हंसा. Today is the annual day at school, and I don't want to miss any performances. It is a big day for every performer, as they are going to showcase their talent on a virtual platform for the first time. Hey Praful, would children perform Ganesh Vandana? Obviously Hansa, वो तो मेरी हंसुड़ी का favorite है. Praful, let's go and seek blessings of Lord Ganesha. You know, he is known as Sukhakarta Dukhaharta. He is the giver of joy, the remover of sorrows, and the one who eliminates hurdles.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
नयना करुणामय गौरीधर श्रीवरद विनायक ओंकार गणपति अधिपति सुखपति छंदपति गंधपति लीन निरंतर लीन निरंतर गणपति सूर विराग सबो
That was divine, isn't it, Maya?
Definitely. Now that we have heard my discussions, how about we see some acts? I'm sure today's show is going to be great success.
Acha Maya, what success according to you is?
Introverted, when we go to a restaurant and we stop Monisha from taking the extra salt in tissue paper and she says, अरे मम्मी जी मैं प्लास्टिक के डब्बे में भर के रख देंगे and if I convince her that Monisha ये तुम्हारे घर के लिए नहीं है it's malfunction and she doesn't take it then it's successful at the
Oh, not at all. How should I say it? Paisa, you leave this. What is success according to you? Please make this lady understand. Monisha Odito, she would have handled her.
I think महाकवि has explained it better. असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो। क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो। जब तक न सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम। जब तक न सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम। संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती और कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती।
How profound! I'm amazed. You're right. Success is not only about the end result, but also about various failures and setbacks that we encounter on our journey to success. Yes, Jay Shri Ben कहती है, the fighting spirit that keeps us moving forward is success. It is rightly said that pursuing success is like shooting at a series of moving targets. Every time you hit one, 5 more pop up from another direction. Just when we have achieved one goal, we strive to achieve more, to perform better and to excel in our pursuit. April, what is next in performances? What's good performance? Our kids have the virtual annual day celebration today and we don't want to miss any performances. What do they even learn in school these days? All they care about is playing games, watching movies and videos on YouTube and nothing else. No values, morals or life skills that are going to be useful and are actually taught in school. No, this is not true. Please don't generalize. Not all schools and not all children. मेरे जैकी और चौकी BPSK में पढ़ते हैं. Earlier we didn't know much about the classroom interactions, but in the past 1.5 years, we have realized how much efforts the teachers put for each and every session. They learned the technology so that our children did not face any difficulties. Even in online classes, they take care of the doubts the children have and help them as much as possible. Children love attending their classes and have learned so many good values. I am proud of my children and the school they go to. Yes, come watch the annual day function with us and you will know what we mean. It's online so anyone can watch it from the comfort of their home. तो देखे फिर?
अरे लेके और पूछ जरूर देखेंगे.
This one is the best. Let's put this one. Isn't it very attractive?
Listen, you know he's afraid of riding cycles. He's very scared of falling off and getting hurt himself. He won't appreciate your thought. That on his birthday? Never.
Shonali, there is no illusion greater than fear. It's all in his mind. How many of you know how to ride a cycle? Had you already learned it when you were in your mother's womb?
Once child, explore the horizon. Break the barrier between your fear you have. It's now or never.
Once I totally understand your plan. Uncle and auntie aren't wrong. Your thinking will overcome your fear, but your actions will, my dear.
Once, can it get any better? It's your birthday today. Feel the fear and do it anyway. It will give you a lifetime memory. Once, come here, child. Sundar Pichai is your idol, isn't he? Have you heard about his story at the restaurant? Alright, come here, children. Once, there was a lady who sat in a restaurant. Then, a cockroach suddenly flew out of somewhere and landed on the lady's shoulder. She got very scared. With a panic-stricken face, she tried her best to get rid of the cockroach. Her reaction was contagious. Then, everyone in the group started acting panicky. Next, when she finally managed to get rid of the cockroach then fell upon another lady in the group. She continued the drama. The waiter rushed forward to the rescue. In the relay of throwing cockroaches, the cockroach now next fell upon waiter. But the waiter stood firm, composed himself and observed the behavior of the cockroach on his shoulder. When he was confident enough, he picked it with his finger and kept it aside in the footpath outside the restaurant. What do you think? Was the cockroach responsible for the histrionic behavior?
Don't know, uncle. You tell.
Honey, it's all our mindset. The cockroach didn't create the chaos. It was a fear that didn't let you overcome it.
You cannot give up once, you can do it.
It is rightly said, hope is the only thing stronger than fear.
कुछ पाने की हो आस कोई मांगो जो पास का आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को पार पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल भी नहीं कुछ भी।
What an inspiring act, Maya. I must tell you, process to learn acting from these children. Look now how poem he writes like this. टुकड़ू मामा ने बोला राशेष रुक रुक रुक, मैंने पीछे देखा लुक लुक लुक, मामा ने दी मुझे हॉर्स राइडिंग की बुक बुक बुक।
You're right, Bindu. Roshish does need some acting classes. Not know about this. Hey, Yulia.
Maya Ben, let me explain.
Stop calling me Maya Ben. That Roshish is in middle class.
Arey, but Sarabhai Ben would sound rather funny. You saw my wordplay there? Jayu?
I'm so proud of you, my brave fools. Oh God, Lord, when will they understand? Maya Ben is just so passion. Just call me Maya.
Okay, so Maya, our child said that now next in sequence is a talk show. Dear Conversations with PPSK. They are going to interview some very successful people. It is very inspirational. It is also my personal favorite.
Wow, that sounds great. Is it with some actor or a famous sports person?
No, Maya Ben.
Oh, sorry, Maya.
The interview is with some lesser known people, but they are mildly successful. Life threw curveballs at them, but it did not stop them from realizing their dreams and helping those who are around them.
That is so inspiring. When will it start? Can we also watch it?
हाँ इंदु भाई, कोई पण चॉइस सके YouTube चैनल पे ही है. Come, let's sit together and enjoy the interview hosted by the school students.
Success depends upon a lot of hard work. Without it, success may seem a long way to be achieved. Hard work does not mean that you have to do laborious work or the work that makes you sweat. Hard work means having a healthy body, strong mind, willpower and positive attitude towards goals. Today, we are here to learn about some extraordinary people who have proved that all their dreams come true and who have the courage to pursue them, irrespective of age, physical status or any other criteria.
I can't agree more with you. Hope is a powerful thing. It inspires us to do the impossible. So if you are looking for a little inspiration, you have come to the right place. And you will soon know why. Namaskar, welcome, Adab. I am your host Amaya and meet my partner and today's co-host Ayush.
Today on Real Conversations with PPSK, we have someone who has proved that if you believe in yourself, nothing can stop you. She is strongly of the opinion that quality is the pride of workmanship. She is the definition of the phrase, age is just a number. लोगों ने जमाना में बिजनेस कराने को याद नहीं सीखे. क्यों स्वागत नहीं करोगे हमारा? I'm Kuchuben Nastawala. My parents named me Urmila Ben Asha, but now Kuchuben Nastawala is my identity.
It's a great pleasure to have you on our talk show, Kuchuben. So before we go ahead, I have a request. Urmila Ben, can we address you as Ba?
Yes, why not? मैंने बधा बा बोला है. Ba, how do you feel about being here in a talk show? How did you start a journey? You all like Kuchuben Nasta and appreciated my food. This gives me immense pleasure and warmth. I feel love and your warmth makes me travel to every show to inspire them with my journey. I'm not alone. There would be many who've done something great. They need to come out and share. મને અને હર્ષને TED Talk નું પણ invitation આપ્યું છે. I lived with a joint family. Back then, I have cooked food for all of them. I have managed raising children, taken care of my diabetic mother-in-law, and juggled between the demands of a family. And while taking care of my diabetic mother-in-law, she also had some needs of her own. My life was a roller coaster ride.
youngest child was 2.5 years old when he passed away in an accident. Well, I brought myself into terms with my fate. And my middle son passed away while defeat due to heart failure. And to add on to all this sadness and trauma, my eldest child, Harsh's dad, passed away due to sudden sickness. I always believe that there is a purpose behind all the trauma and sadness that God gave me. I read somewhere that even He gives problems to those who can face them and come out stronger. That's life. It goes on. हताश मत हो, चलते रहो, जागो बढ़ो, उठो और काम करो. That's why I say,
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना.
Pa, you're never afraid of showing your affection. You're warm, tender, thoughtful, and very affectionate. You are loved so much by the people, and there are few people who are part of your life and would like to say something about you and express their feelings recorded for you.
People see documentaries of Roger Federer, Sachin Tendulkar, the great cricketer, Barack Obama, the former US president for motivation. But for me, my motivation and inspiration is Dadi. At one point in time, I had given up after my accident. I had undergo a cosmetic surgery. My upper lip had torn apart from my mouth. Doctors had given up. They were on the verge of declaring me dead, but Dadi was full of hope and I was full of life-riding bikes. But after this accident, I was going through an identity crisis. I had given up, but Dadi one fine day came to me and said, "What do you have to lose? I have lost 3 children and here I am standing strong like a pillar." Dadi encouraged me by looking at her struggles and I felt my nothing. अरे वो देख वो B27 का पार्सल रेडी हुआ क्या? In lockdown, my business faced a huge setback, and that moment's adversities turned into opportunities. Once I asked Dadi that the pickle she made for our neighbors, can we make more of it and sell? Dadi, being an enthusiastic person, agreed instantly, and we made 500 kgs of pickles in 25 days. After which I thought of asking her to help me start a business, which will give us financial growth, and I coined the idea of naming it Gujju Bain Nashtawala because Gujju means Gujarati and everyone loves Gujarati food. She works and appreciation of her customers is her trophy.
Hello Dadi, came cho. दादी has taught me one important life lesson. सबको खाना खिलाने का, बुरा वक्त आया तो सबको संभाल लेने का. She works from morning 7 to 9 but never gets tired. We, being so young, barely can work continuously. Sometimes we take long break, but Dadi works non-stop without any break. I would like to tell her, तेरे माथे की ये चूनर क्या खूब लगती है, पर तेरे चूनर से जो तू परचम बनाए, वो हजारों के जीवन को प्रेरणा देती है.
I am Dadi's business partner. I was working as a designer in my in-laws' garment shop, but due to lockdown, we faced severe setbacks to our business. I joined hands with Harsh and Dadi. Working with Dadi was fun. She is a diligent and a hard-working lady. Dadi हमें डांटती if we don't cook food as per her taste. She remakes the food and doesn't let the food quality compromise. जो हमने बनाया है और वो अच्छा नहीं हुआ, तो वो हमें ही खिला देती. कस्टमर के पास जाने नहीं देती.
दादी, तुम्हाला टीव्हीवर बघून खूप आनंद झाला. पुरणपोळी हवी छान बनली माझी. आता तरी कस्टमरला पाठवू शकणार ना? सांगा बरं. दादी के बारे में क्या बोलूं? Sometimes we and Harsh Bhai are reluctant to take more orders, but she says no. I will cook in 5 minutes, and to our surprise, she does it without hampering the quality and the quantity. She says, "टाइम पास होना मांगता है. बैठे बैठे क्या करेंगे?"
She has been our neighbor for many years. She gives us a variety of pickles to taste. She has got invites from London and Portugal to cook in events. I'm just like her son. I often ask her, "Dadi, how come you are so fit?" She says, I've eaten good food. Not like you all. Swiggy, Zomato से मंगवाने का पिज्जा पास्ता खाया और हो गया.
Urmila, Kochikri there TV par. She's my best friend. I can do anything for her. She does Gugra, so whenever she calls me to make for orders and delivery, I swiftly reach her place. Because she has been a very supportive friend. I told Urmila not to give me any money. Just call me daily to make food with you. That is my treasure of friendship. Whenever I go to a place, I feel content and it helps me kill my time. उसका एक ही फंडा है મને જમવાનું બનાવવું ગમે જમાડવું ગમે અને જમવું ગમે.
Urmila, I am proud of you. You are our backbone. The way you have kept all of us is commendable. You have kept all of us like a close-knit family. I am very fortunate to have you in my life, and because of you, my life is going smoothly. તારા હાથનું પનીર મટર મસાલાની શું વાત છે. થોડી નાખ્યા તબલા ની ફોડી નાખી પેટી. I have expressed what I feel for you. But Urmila, તારી મધમીઠી વાતે મારું મન મોહી ગયું. સપના જોયા તારી સાથે મારું મન મોહી ગયું.
Daddy, this is for you.
मुस्कुराहटों पे हूँ निशान. किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार.
इसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार.
जीना इसी का नाम है.
You know, after looking at all the videos I felt, love is more than everything, and a kind word will give more pleasure than a present. Oh Rani, you are really a strong woman, and a strong woman like you accepts the war she went through and is immovable by her scars, gets up as an invisible crown and says, life goes on. Well, some of us may need a break. So audience, let's take a chit-chat break.
लेट हो रहा है. गोलू, ओ गोलू, पता नहीं किधर चला गया. तू बाहर आ. दादी, दादी, अरे दादी, come on, don't be a scaredy cat. Okay, तो होती दादी, दादी. Nonsense. Trust me, पुत्तू. कुछ नहीं होगा राजे, मैं कह रही हूँ ना. दादी, कल चल. ये पकड़ और चल धक्का. तेरी गोलू, तूने तो बल्ले बल्ले करा दी. दादी लग गए. चल और धक्का मार. लग जाएगी दादी. मार धक्का मार. जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराहट को. हाय 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 हाय. जाने दो, दिल से चले जाने दो. कह दो घबराहट को.
Love you zindagi, love you zindagi.
धमाका अपने सपनों को दीजिए पर उड़ान साइकिल्स, India's largest range of bicycles. Book today and avail 20% discount on new arrivals.
Welcome back to the Real Conversations with PPSK. Getting started just now where we left. Two heads are better than one. So here I take immense pleasure to introduce one honorable personality who always manifests that where there is a we, there is a will. Hey, it is will, not we. Yes, you are right. But for this guest, you will know why it is we and not will. So join me with all your enthusiasm to welcome our next guest, Mr. Annadurai.
If you are an employee, love your job. If you are a businessman, satisfy your customer. This is my secret, amazing outdoor secret. I am not a regular auto driver.
I am popularly known as Auto Anna. My birth name is Anna Durai.
Anna, what makes you give a 5-star treatment to your customers in an auto and the facilities are superior than a car? And you want to share with your audience what all services you provide in an auto?
I believe we should never give somebody something mediocre, but when we do, make it the best. I think for customer satisfaction, think out of the box for their convenience. I have been driving auto for many years now. Customer is God. I say it because they pay me money so that I can have food. What my customer expects from my auto, I give it to them. I started providing all these amenities from 2013. Like newspapers in 8 different languages, 35 to 40 magazines of current issue. I understand that India is on the peak of technology boom. So I provide data cards and Wi-Fi routers of 2 different companies, Vodafone and Airtel, because buffering is boring. I also have a Samsung Galaxy Tab, a Lenovo laptop and an iPad. As per the needs of every customer, not every customer is habitual to Android, so they can use the iPad. And those who work on wheels can travel in my auto because I have a mini refrigerator providing snacks to them. Anna, your little consideration and thought for other makes a lot of difference. Anna, I had a question in my mind since the time I have come to know that you are going to be on a show. Usually, auto wires don't have a change, neither do we travelers have. Asking for a change to others is a huge task. How do you cater to that problem? You know, sir, I asked my customers for feedback. One day, after 2 months, the same customer sat in my auto. I asked him for feedback. What he said was really saddening for me. He said that, Anna, you give such a nice service to us and you take care of every requirement of a customer. And I felt guilty that night when you didn't ask me for change. Sir, I was pinched. I came up with an idea of having a card swipe machine in my auto rickshaw. And thinking of digital India, nobody withdraws the money. Cash transactions are done through various facilities. So now I have PayPal, Paytm, GPay, you name it and we have it. Anna, you are a far-sighted person. Really, you are making the lives of people so easy and fantastic. It's time for us to take a short break and come back. We are in conversation with Anna and Gunjubin Nasta.
Best of luck, Surya.
Sapna to
Come on, Surya. Don't be scared. You can do it.
सपना नागुल बड़ा नागुल छोटा होता है। मम्मी नहीं कहती है सपने देखो, खोल के देखो, सपने पर तो अपने देखो, मम्मी नहीं कहती है।
You did it! Karan, brother. Karan, you can do it.
तोड़ दे, फोड़ दे,
तेरा हाथ फैला है, तो अपनी बॉडी की स्ट्रॉन्ग बना है। You don't give up. You tried it. You can do it. Shayan, stand up. I said stand up. Good morning, sir.
Shayan, you got enough applause. Now tell me what your mother has taught you.
Sir, भरोसा करना। मम्मी कहती है कि अगर कोई भी उसका हौसला खो देता है तो उसका भरोसा बनना चाहिए। हौसला डबल हो जाता है।
Occasion of Mother's Day, the mom had taken initiative and invite everyone to participate in contest. Trust an eternal value, and sent one video to us on things that you have learned from your mother. Kindly mail on momarth@ogle.com. Entries are open till tomorrow. 3 lucky winners will get chance to win products of Momarth worth 1,999.
Anna bhai, सांभो जरा. I was asking these two hosts backstage that Anna bhai is this serious in life too. मतलब me and my Ramilali talk non-stop with people. वो क्या है ना जो बेचता ना पावे.
दादी, क्या आप भी? My customers love to talk to me. In Hindi, customers ऐसे आप कैसे हो, कहाँ से हो, आप मुझे मिलो, कुशल मंगल यात्रा, ठीक है भैया, ओके ओके. To Malayali customers ऐसे endu parayunu sare sugalamali, which means what do we say? All fine. In Kannada, customers ऐसे ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾರಾಯ, which means how are you all? Fine. Where are you going? To Marathi customers ऐसे आता माझी सटकली. To Bengali customers ऐसे धन्यवाद, आभार असबेन. To Gujju customers ऐसे धन्यवाद, पाछा आवજો. To Punjabi customers ऐसे सत श्री अकाल, किता वदिया. My customers also asked me to play Shahrukh songs, but I got that covered. I play किसी रोज तुमसे मुलाकात होगी and Salman's fans there are a lot. I play जुमने की रात है, जुमने की बात है. And if Japanese customers sit in my auto, I play Sayonara. And if English customers sit in my auto, I play I Found a Love and all those English songs. Anna bhai, I was just joking and you took the conversation to next level. बिना आपके ऑटो में बैठे ही आपने तो मुझे पूरा इंडिया घुमा दिया. Anna, you spread happiness wherever you go. You are so affectionate. Your nature is solicitous. People who are close to you have something for you. I hope this makes you smile just the way you are spreading smile.
ಉನ್ನೈ ನೆನಚಿ ಪದ್ಮಿಯ ಎದಕ ಉನ್ನೈ ಟಾಕ್ ಶೋವಿಲ್ ಉಕ್ಕಂದಿರಂದ ಪಾತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಖುಷಿಯ ಎದಕ. So proud of you, my friend. I feel great looking at you seated in the talk show. I've been choosing Anna to Chennai. I'm Anna's childhood school friend. Basically, Anna was different from others and very unique since childhood. He believed in doing things in a different way. Anna Roy's character, I would personally say, is very silent and calm. He believes in working more and speaking less. He doesn't speak unnecessarily. He is someone who lets his work speak. He is epitome of that. I feel proud when I sit in his auto. I feel proud that I am Anna's friend. Anyone can be a friend of a celebrity, but it's my fortune to have a friend who become a celebrity by his service. Public feel auto drivers are rude and they feel that auto drivers are charging high and making them fool. Anna is changing their mindset and setting a trade amongst them.
Yes, I got a high score. So, Anna has Netflix, Amazon and Hotstar. Sometimes if I'm not able to complete my series while returning home from my tuitions, then I ask Anna to take an extra turn so that I can finish my series. Anna's rickshaw provides luxury and entertainment to all. He's such a cool auto driver. I don't even need to buy any subscriptions to any apps. Anna है ना, काम हो जाता है.
I feel safe traveling in Anna's auto. His app Amazing Auto gives tracking details of my auto to my parents, and they stay rest assured that I am safely traveling at night for my work. Anna is a respectful man.
Bye Anna, do you have any further aspirations?
Yes, I want to have a spacious kitchen so that I can feed more people, and Harsh says he wants to expand the business. So, I have 2 dreams to come true, one of my own and one of my grandson. Let's hope for the best.
I would love to educate children. With education, children can stand with self-confidence and do something for themselves and the country. And in 2013, I provided 13,000 rupees for children. In 2014, I sponsored 7 children, and in 2015, I couldn't because of financial constraints. But now, I would love to educate children. I also want to have a solar AC in my auto rickshaw. Any person's life will be filled with unexpected encouragement to make something mind to do this very best each day. Anna and Bob, you are truly an inspiration for everyone.
It doesn't require to be eagerness, only that we try our best. So friends, try our best for success. Try to be as efficient as possible. And as said by one of the greatest philosophers of all time, Socrates, all you do is knowledge and you will neither is ignorance. So, I would like to thank all of you for being a part of today's segment. Your host, Asani Kaur. We shall meet in the new segment soon.
रोशेश भैया, ये गुजुबेल नाश्ते वाले की चटनी तो बहुत टेस्टी और सस्ती भी है। मैंने तो बहुत सारे पैकेट्स लिए हैं। 20% डिस्काउंट भी मिला। आप भी खाओ ना।
नहीं भाभी, अब इस संसार में मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं रहा। आई विल लीव एक्टिंग एंड राइटिंग। ये दुनिया, ये महफिल मेरे काम की चीज नहीं। यू नो, मेरा अभी एक ऑडिशन है, बहुत बड़ी मूवी है, बहू मच्छर और बेटा खच्चर, और उसका राइटर अब मेरा ऑडिशन लेने आ रहा है एंड आई एम नॉट एट ऑल रेडी। भाभी, मेरा करियर तो शुरू होने से पहले ही खत्म हो गया।
भैया, आप ऐसे क्यों कह रहे हैं? मैं दुख बाबा से मन्नत मांगूंगी कि आपको अच्छा सा काम मिले।
रोशेश जी, आर यू रेडी? शुड वी डू ऑडिशन?
अरे सर, आप थोड़ा लेट हो गए। आई जस्ट अनाउंस माई retirement from acting. I don't have it in me anymore.
Why would you say that? Haven't you heard that? असे जनावे दुनियेमध्ये आव्हानाचे लावून अंतर, नजर रोखुनी नजरेमध्ये आयुष्याला द्यावे उत्तर. पाय असावे जमिनीवरती, कवेत अंबर घेताना, हसू असावे ओठांवरती, पाळीज काढून देताना. संकटासही ठणकावून सांगावे आता एवढे तर. नजर रोखुनी नजरेमध्ये आयुष्याला द्यावे उत्तर. नजर रोखुनी नजरेमध्ये आयुष्याला द्यावे उत्तर.
अरे मराठी में क्या बोला आपने?
बिल्कुल सही है राइटर भाई साहब। रोशेश भैया, आई रिमेम्बर मोटिवेशनल सॉन्ग, नेवर गिव अप सॉन्ग संग बाय स्टूडेंट्स। आपको यूं चुटकी में समझ आ जाएगा।
I battle demons that won't let me sleep. I've been asleep, but she abandoned me. No, I will never give up, no, never give up, no, no. No, I will never give up, no, never give up, no, no. And I won't let you get me down, I'll keep getting up when I hit the ground. Oh, never give up, no, never give up, no, no. I won't let you get me down, I'll keep getting up when I hit the ground. Oh, never give up, no, never give up, no, no. Oh, I'll find my way home. Oh, 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 yeah, I'm haunted by the distant past. Saw through the stars, but she was overcast. No, I won't never give up, no, never give up, no, no. No, I won't never give up, no, never give up, no, no. And I won't let you get me down, I'll keep getting up when I hit the ground. Oh, never give up, no, never give up, no, no. Oh, I won't let you get me down, I'll keep getting up when I hit the ground. Oh, never give up, no, never give up, no, no. Oh, I'll find my way home. Oh, 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 oh.
Wow, Bhabhi, it was so motivational. I wrote a new poem in the meanwhile. Finally हो रही है पानी की बोतल खाली, अगर नहीं है यहाँ गार्डन तो क्यों होगा माली।
ये तो प्रफुल्ल भाई और हंसा देवी से भी गए गुजरे हैं।
नहीं रेशकी, अब मैं किसी काम का नहीं। रिटायरमेंट के बाद लाइफ में कुछ नहीं बचा करने को।
बापूजी, ऐसा नहीं बोलिए। आप कुछ हॉबी क्यों नहीं करते? Do something that you always wanted to do. कुछ नहीं तो इस रोशेश को एक्टिंग और राइटिंग सिखा दीजिए।
जयश्री, इसको सिखाऊंगा तो मैं खुद भूल जाऊंगा।
भैया, बापूजी, एक मस्त आइडिया है। मेरी नानी की मौसी के भाई के बेटे की बुआ का इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट का बिजनेस है। आप भी उन्हें ज्वाइन कर लो।
नहीं मनीषा बेटा, अब इस समय मुझसे इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल नहीं होगा।
नहीं नहीं बापूजी, इंटरनेशनल नहीं, उल्लासनगर से सस्ते में खरीद के बांद्रा कोलाबा में महंगे में सेल करना है। अच्छा कमीशन मिल जाएगा। मेरा 10% शेयर मत भूलना। हाँ, कुछ और सेंसिबल आइडिया बताओ ना।
रहने दो जयश्री, अब मैं किसी काम का नहीं, मैं भी कुछ करना चाहता था, पर कोई फायदा नहीं।
आप ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं? आपने राधा कृष्ण उनके बारे में नहीं सुना क्या?
राधा कृष्ण वो कौन है?
वो क्या है ना, 6 महीने पहले I had a severe hair fall and other scar tissue. सब घरेलू नुस्खे ट्राई किए, दुख बाबा से मन्नत भी मांगी, पर कोई असर नहीं हुआ। यहाँ तक कि महंगे महंगे हेयर प्रोडक्ट्स भी खरीदे, वो भी बिना डिस्काउंट के, पर प्रॉब्लम जा ही नहीं रही थी।
What are you saying? भाभी आपने महंगे प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदे?
देखो ना भैया, फिर मेरी किटी वाली फ्रेंड ने अंकल के अग्नि हेयर ऑयल के बारे में बताया, एंड देन एकदम से वक्त बदल गए, हालात बदल गए।
अरे हाँ, आई नो हिम, मैंने उनका एक वीडियो देखा था। उसने बताया था कि हाउ आफ्टर हिज रिटायरमेंट एट द एज ऑफ 80, along with his wife who is aged 75, he pursued his passion and converted it into a successful business. Papuji, you must also watch it. It is so inspiring. Wait, let me search for it and play for you.
मन में दम, मीलों मील चलेंगे हम, हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे, टस से मस ना होंगे हम। ये सोते भी है, टेंशन आगे रहने की है, टेंशन मेहनत इनको प्यारी है, एकदम आज्ञाकारी है, आज्ञाकारी है। ये ऑमलेट पर ही जीते हैं, ये टॉनिक सारे पीते हैं, वक्त पे सोते वक्त पे खाते, तान के सीना बढ़ते जाते। दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो, दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो। ये सोते भी है, टेंशन आगे रहने की है, टेंशन मेहनत इनको प्यारी है, एकदम आज्ञाकारी है, आज्ञाकारी है। ये ऑमलेट पर ही जीते हैं, ये टॉनिक सारे पीते हैं, वक्त पे सोते वक्त पे खाते, तान के सीना बढ़ते जाते।
सर जो तेरा चकराए या दिल डूबा जाए, आजा प्यारे पास हमारे, काहे घबराए, काहे घबराए। मालिश तेल मालिश। सर जो तेरा चकराए या दिल डूबा जाए, आजा प्यारे पास हमारे, काहे घबराए, काहे घबराए।
ध्येयासाठी अतोनात प्रयत्न करा. जगाने तुम्हाला वेडं म्हणलं तरी चालेल, कारण वेडेच लोक इतिहास घडवतात आणि शिकलेली लोक तो इतिहास वाचतात.
तो बताइए बापूजी, now what do you have to say?
बच्चे लोग तुम सब सही थे, एज इज जस्ट अ नंबर, सपने पूरे करने को कोई लिमिट नहीं होती. नाउ आई विल आल्सो pursue my dream of traveling around the world and make most of this beautiful life that I have got. And I believe all of you don't wait for tomorrow. चलो पता जी लाइए.
Wow, बापूजी, it seems impossible and let's it's done.
है ना, मैं तो भूल ही गई, आज मुंबई's Got Talent का फिनाले है.
मोनिशा भाभी, आप तो भसास बनी नागिन और बहू बनी चिपकली देखते थे ना?
अरे हाँ रोशेश भैया, पर इस बार पूरा शो ऑनलाइन हुआ. All the participants dance from home and moreover फिनाले में एक अंडरडॉग टीम गई है. I'm supporting them. चलो चलो आप सभी देखो डांस फिनाले.
I'm very scared. I don't know how we will be able to compete with the team that has been winning for last 3 years. Ved sir and Shubh sir are also not with us physically to support and cheer us.
Yes, you are right. How will we win?
Hello, my champs. All set to win? I am so confident that you all will give your 100% and perform well. You remember na what I always say? Karm kar, phal ki chinta mat kar. You give your best and leave the rest. Remember about the magic formula 90-10? Who will repeat it for me? Yes, kid, go on.
चुप सा, I always tell them. वो जुनून हो सर पे तेरे और अंतर में विश्वास, फिर ठोकर और ठुकराने का होगा कहाँ तुम्हें एहसास। मकसद में सच्चाई है तो सीना ठोक के यही कहो, मकसद में सच्चाई है तो सीना ठोक के यही कहो। जितना होगा दुनिया तुमको, विश्वास पे अपने खड़े रहो, अड़े रहो, अड़े रहो। दुनिया बदली है जिसने भी, पहले उसको इनकार मिला, अपमानों का हार मिला, तानों का उपहार मिला। अब अविश्वास में विश्वास भरो और लहरों के विपरीत बहो। हाथ में विजय मशाल लिए विश्वास पे अपने खड़े रहो, अड़े रहो, अड़े रहो।
Sir, you taught us about the 90-10 formula, that 10% of life is what happens to us. Like things we don't have control over, but 90% is how we perceive it, how we react to it. We just have to focus on the 90% part and the rest all will be fine.
Yes, that's the spirit. Let's go for the 90%.
Yes, friends, when our teacher believes in us, we all should also believe in our ability to win. Let's rock it together.
Now let's go and calm down our other friends also. They are also nervous about our competition.
Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follower. Fit the box, fit the mold, have a seat in the foyer. Take a number. I was lightning before the thunder.
जिद है मेरी दर्द चीर के निकल चुका, मौका मिले तो करूँ मैं ये दोबारा।
Thunder, 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 thunder,
Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, thunder. Thunder. Kids were laughing in my classes while I was scheming for the masses. Who do you think you are? Dreaming about being a big star. They say you're basic, they say you're easy. You're always riding in the backseat. Now I'm smiling from the stage while you were clapping in the nosebleed.
जुनून के आग में उबलती मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा।
thunder, 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 thunder,
Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder.
जग्गा जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां, जग्गा जित्तिया, जग्गा जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां, जग्गा जित्तिया, जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां के आया है फतेह करके।
Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, thunder.
जग्गा लिख गया नई कहानी, जग्गा लिख गया।
Jagga, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder.
जग्गा जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां, जग्गा जित्तिया।
That was an electrifying performance. Aren't we all thrilled? We all are well aware that the success of any education institute depends on the principal. She is a driving force who manages, coordinated, guided and supervise various activities of education institute. It's my honor to welcome Principal Ma'am to share her thoughts with us.
Have you enjoyed the program today, parents? From your faces I can make out, I think you have. The children have done a marvelous job. teachers have done an equally good a job. But today's show, I would like to place my heartfelt thanks to Anand Manan of AND Events. He is a parent who came to our rescue as a savior and helped us out in churning out this particular program for all of us to enjoy. Thank you once again. Anand, we owe you.
A warm and graceful morning to one and all present here. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks speech and acknowledge the contributions of those who worked really hard to make this annual day celebration a success. This annual day was not like the ones we had in the past. This is the first time we had an online annual day. We all had our apprehensions, but because of the dedication and efforts of everyone present here, we managed to put up a good show. John F. Kennedy said, "As we express our gratitude, we must never forget the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them." I would like to thank our budding rock stars, my dear friends, who made this event joyful with their impressive performances. A special mention to our respected principal, Dr. Mrs. Pramila Kodwa, for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and standing as our pillar of strength. We are immensely thankful to Vice Principal Ma'am Mrs. Revati Wali for her efforts, cooperation and guidance for this event. Our heartiest thanks to Secondary Headmistress Mrs. Chitra for supporting us and guiding us for the successful completion of this event. I would also like to thank our coordinator Ms. Preetam Bhise for providing us all the support and advice we needed from time to time. Our sincere gratitude goes to all parents for their rock-solid support. Without your support, the students would not have been able to achieve excellence. Thank you so much for attending this event. Thank you to all the teachers for training us. Thank you for all your involvement and untiring efforts. Last but not least, I would also like to thank the people who worked behind the scenes to make this event happen. Our technical team, stage setting, lighting arrangement team, and also the housekeeping staff. Because of all of you, this annual day has become bigger and grander this year. Thank you all. Have a good day.
I believe any school function is incomplete without national anthem. Requesting everyone rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Breaking over records, sleep our nigga cookie bro. Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. You ain't never gonna know if you never even try. Do it for your country, do it for your name. Cause there's gonna be a day when you're standing in the Hall of Fame. Yeah. And the world's gonna know your name. Yeah. Cause you burn with the cross flame. And the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion. The walls of the Hall of Fame. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Yeah. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Yeah. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions.